on 5. It's the school holidays and there is no rest for the weary. School holidays and weekend rest.
The bait?
Coach go full speed the kids' swimming lessons. Stupid Gillette, he comes off for his drill sergeant and a coach. Meanwhile, Gunner and our fun face off in a kite flying
The bait?
duel.